On down south, we gone? Northeast corner, busy B, looking oh, big as a B, one-eyed B.
That two-bill Mobile is doing a good trip out here, Central California. That two-bill Mobile is doing its thing in Central Cal. Put it on the later, worldwide bad boy, I'm going now.
Hey, Catfish, sound good on the west side.
You're driving to Cary. Worldwide bad boy the west side coast of California and going down. I'll see ya.
Right in here is what you usually seem to sound the best there. No. Let's try right there, buddy. 131. Let's try right there and see what it sounds like. I know I lost a whole lot of signal, but let's just see what's going on, baby. Yes, sir, Catfish. We tried to wait till you out there. Conditions are rough and tough out there. Not real strong conditions today, but Catfish, you're sounding good in Arizona. 357, Cecil the Diesel, Tucson. 357 Arizona, got you over here in the state of Maine. 357 Arizona, Busy B over here in Maine. 357 Arizona, Busy B, state of Maine, looking. Hello out there, 3-4.
Boy, sure is the best out there. That's for sure. Whole bunch of people up in there. Whole bunch of people up in there. My radio, no doubt. Let me get this freight train out of the middle of the road. Get wide to the side. Keep rolling, keep rolling. Super power outside coast of California. Stepping on the go. Reduce this a little bit more.
Busy Bee. I heard you out there waving to old Cecil out here in the cactus. 357. Hoping you have a good DX day. Take care now. Here in the cactus, good meeting. I got about 6 or 7 on you. Blowing smoke. I got you, 345. I got you in there. You're locked in. 345. Doing a good job out there, Rascal. Keep up the good work. Bye-bye. Morning, Alley, so they can do their phone.